Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to cover 3-3, number 1, where we are multiplying powers. If you have the guided notes, go ahead and follow along, write what I write. If you do not, maybe pause the video, write the stuff that you don't have, and remember you can pause or rewind at any time. So when we are multiplying powers, let's just review what a power is. So if I have 3 to the 4th, okay, this is a power. It has two parts. It has the 3, which is the base, and the 4, which is the exponent. Again, just reviewing. Okay, so when we are multiplying powers, this is what multiplying powers looks like. We're multiplying 2 or more powers. Okay, so when multiplying powers, you must first check all bases are the same. Okay, all bases are the same. So if I look at example number 1 here, I'm looking at this base and this base, and we have to make sure that those two bases are the same. If they are different, this does not work. So we have to make sure that all the bases are the same. If we look at number 2, we're looking at 4, 4, and 4. The bases are the same. It's going to work. If this was 4, 5, and 6, it would not work. If all of the bases are the same, we do two things. We keep the same base. So whatever the base is, that's what the base is going to be in our answer. Our second thing is we add up the exponents. That's it. We keep the base the same, we add the exponents. That's going to be our answer. So let's take a look at number 1 here. We got to make sure the bases are the same. We have a base of 7. We have a base of 7. Perfect. We know that our exponent, our answer, is going to have 7 as the base. What we do next is we add the exponents. 5 plus 3. And we keep it in the exponent spot. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So our answer, 7 to the 8th. That's it. Let's look at number 2. We have 3 terms here. 4, 4, and 4. Our bases are all the same. So we know our answer is going to have 4 in the base. Now what we do is we take the exponents and we add them up. We have 3 plus 6 plus 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. We keep our base here, 4 to the 13th. All right, example number 3. Do we have, I'm going to do a different color here. Do we have the same base? We have 3. We have 3. We know our answer is going to have a base of 3. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky with this one. I'm going to erase my circle so you can see a little better. We know the exponent on this one is 5. What is the exponent on the first number 3? Where there's no number there, what is the exponent? Well, when there is no exponent, the exponent that is there is 1. It is not 0. If we had an exponent of 0, it would show you a 0. Okay? So when there is no exponent there, the exponent is 1. So we take our exponents, 1 plus 5, because they have the same base, we get an answer of 3 to the 6th. Now, if you noticed, you don't have to simplify these. You don't have to figure out what 7 to the 8th is. You can leave your answer in exponential form. Okay? 7 to the 8th is perfect. 3 to the 6th is perfect. Now, if you got one that said like 2 to the 3rd, you could simplify that if you wanted, but you don't have to. Number 4, let's look at our base. Let's look at our base. Okay? Pause the video. See if you can figure this one out. All right. X to the 3rd, X to the 2nd. It doesn't matter if it's a letter or a number. We make sure it's the same base. It is the same base, so we have X, 3 plus 2. x to the fifth. Rewind if you need to.